Come on, dude.
What are we gonna do?
Hop up. Are you about tired of being at home yet? Why are you picking your nose? Dude.
Yeah.
How long have we been home now?
Almost 3 weeks.
No, two. I think this was the end of the second week, so we got one more week to go. Well, actually, no, because you're not going back to school anymore.
I'm not going back to the
For the rest of this. Are you kidding me?
I still have to do work.
The rest of the summer? What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
We're just gonna play all day.
Maybe
So
I have to work until summer, then I can stop working.
you have to work until summer and then you can stop? If you're lucky, mommy might make you work all the way through summer.
That's not getting lucky, that's bad luck.
Maybe you'll get lucky and she'll let you stop.
Before summer?
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah, probably not. So this thing, this whole quarantine, keeping everybody inside, it's driving me crazy. What about you? I'm literally going stir crazy. So I've got this list of projects that I want to do for my truck. I guess it's the perfect time to do them, right? I got nothing else I can do. Like technically I could go to work, but I'm deciding to take this coming week off. What? No, I know. I've been working the last 2 weeks just kind of on specific jobs. I've had a couple big jobs, so I've been able to stay at the same place multiple times, which is as socially distanced as I could get. We were out in the field and doing some other stuff. Matter of fact, here, I'll show you what we were doing.
Gotta protect that honey.
Don't want to get in wet.
Oh, it's wet.
Oh, already? He don't know how to drive trucks. Hey, your forks are in the ground, just so you know. I'm gonna go down here on the concrete and turn around. I ain't got it. We're building a horse shelter. We're building a horse shelter. You can take the boy off the farm, but you can't take the farm out of the boy. We're building a horse shelter out here in this field for a customer. And the lumber company dropped off the wood on pallets, and our customer has a tractor with forklift attachment. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna build it somewhere over there. I'm gonna probably go ahead and head over there, but I'll help him load the stuff up first. Just up in the corner somewhere. I'll let you in the gate, go wide and go put it up somewhere in the corner, just out of the way. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Chief man. Hey dude. Hey. Hey Chief. What are you doing, buddy? You're filthy. You know that? You're just filthy. You're a big dog though, if that matters.
Hey guys. We're about to what I think is gonna be kind of funny. We're gonna watch Leaman get stuck. But he doesn't think he's gonna get stuck. So now I'm hoping that he gets stuck. That's just a bunch of horse crap. Ooh, it's soft.
little bit of progress. Starting to look like something. Now I just gotta get out of here without getting stuck in my 2-wheel drive truck. What's going on here? What's the point of this? Keep going. Keep going. Go. 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 So now we're done with that job, and it's Saturday, and look, I mean, look, it's a freaking beautiful day. I mean, like,
it's a bike rider day.
Bike rider day?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go riding our bikes here in just a little bit. It's not what you think it was. I literally had like I breathed in the wrong tube. Little optical illusion for you. This is a skateboard rolling up a hill.
A steep hill.
A steep hill. He can't even barely push his bike up the hill. Anyway, so I've got this list of projects that I could do this coming week. I decided to take the week off, and I'll show you guys what they are if you want. So first off, my wheels and tires are filthy. Look at that, dirty. I used some bleach white, which worked really well up here, but it sucked all the moisture out, so I've got to put something back in there, but also I missed a few spots. And then my wheels are like really filthy. Like, look at this. So I think I'm gonna take my wheels off and detail them and do some ceramic coating or some wax or something on them. I've also got some spacers coming for the back wheels. So my front wheels, with the lift kit, it brought them out like a little bit wider than the rear. And so I've got some spacers that I actually used to have on this truck before I had these wheels. Sold them to a friend. He's gonna sell 2 of them back to me, and then I'm gonna put them on the back, bring them out a little bit. So I don't do decals on my truck, but I've got one decal I'm gonna add. I'm gonna put it right across the front of the windshield. God, this truck's filthy, look at this. Oh, so pathetic. I'm gonna put one decal across the windshield. All right, so we got our list here. Some of the stuff we're gonna be grabbing for the truck. First off, we got a subwoofer. These are cheap subwoofers, but they work really great, especially for a little 8-inch. I've got one already, right there, and I'll show you if you want. It's not a real fancy sub. It's kind of their low end, but it looks like it's really good quality. I've ran their larger subs before with good success, and it's a real tight sub. I think it's 300 watts RMS. IX, it's a Scar IX. IX8, I guess. It's a dual 2 ohm. And my wife actually got this for me for Christmas. So I'm getting another one so that I can have 2. Oh, I'll put that back. So that's what's going on with that. And then we've got some wire. That's for a little project. We've got some 12-inch LED strips, like accent lighting. Then we've got some other, I think these are 6-inch cob LED strips, which are really bright. So that's kind of what we got going on now, about $100. So we're gonna order this stuff, get it coming. Hopefully it'll be here in the next couple days. And then in the next video, I'll show you guys what the projects are. Y'all ready to see another lifted 2-wheel drive Silverado on 24s and 35s? Check out my buddy Jonathan. His truck looks really good. Ready? Oh yeah, she clean. Sporting the Max Track lift also. Old 6.5. I think his truck's taller than mine though. I think your truck's taller than mine. Like, how did that work out?
I don't know.
I want to measure. Can you pull your truck right here?
Yeah.
I want to measure because I know the back of yours is taller because I'm still on my drop shackle, but the front of yours I think is taller. My lift, I'm at right about 44.
Yep.
Right. This is gonna upset me.
It's the tires.
No, maybe 45. An inch higher. But let's do tires.
My tires measure true, I believe.
Yours are 34 actually.
Really?
Yeah, hold on. Mine might be small too. I think I measured mine before. Mine are 33 and a half. But they're 35s.
Yeah, they don't.
That's what we get for buying these China tires.
It is. That's what it is.
So we are trading rims. He just came by to pick up my wheels that used to be right there in that little spot. And apparently he wanted the gunmetal, and I had gunmetal. He had like a regular silver version of the RST wheel. So he's taking those and gonna swap them out with his, and then he's gonna bring me his other ones. And some extra goodies for the truck. We'll show you those in the next video.